Welcome back students in video number 46, chapter number 12. In this video, we will see the equation of energy. Equation of energy of electron revolving around the nucleus. So when electrons are revolving around the nucleus, it having two energies. First is potential energy and second one is kinetic energy. So the equation of energy is given by E is equal to K plus U. Already in video number 42 we have obtained this equation, and the equation is there on page number 240, not 240, 420, 420. Okay, so equation of E is equal to kinetic energy K, that is square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R, potential energy minus, so minus plus minus square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R. Okay, then after obtain that common, take out that common, so you will get square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R common. So in bracket what will remain? 1/2 minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1 means minus 1/2. So minus term will come out. 1/2, 2 4 is 8, that is square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R. This equation given in our textbook directly, but from where it comes, now you come to know. Give it equation number 1. In this equation you have to put the value of R, equation of R, main equation of R. So here you have to replace R. What was that equation? Okay, put R is equal to, try to recall, R is equal to n square by m multiplied by h by 2 pi whole square multiplied by 4 pi epsilon 0 divided by, what was there? Divided by square. Okay, so it is easy. Equation of E, you are getting R. You have to obtain equation of energy by using value of R. So if this question will asked in your exam, you must have to remember the equation of R. If you will not have any idea of that R equation, then that theory will wash out. Okay, so you have to remember, anyhow you have to remember, see, it is very easy. N square h square 4 pi epsilon 0 m 2 pi square square. Okay, so in this equation number 1, what is that equation number 1? That is E is equal to, take all this term as it is, right, that is square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R. That R I am writing with yellow color, means n square upon m multiplied by h whole square 2 pi whole square. That means h square upon 2 pi square. That means 2 to the 4 pi square. Finished? Multiply by 4 pi epsilon 0 divided by square. So we have placed the value of r here. Do the cancel. What will cancel out? That means 4 will cancel out and pi will cancel out. Denominator take in numerator. So we are having e is equal to minus square as it is 8 pi epsilon 0 as it is n square h square epsilon 0, that is n square h square epsilon 0 multiply by what will go up, that is m, pi will go up, that is pi, and again square. Got it? So here again pi will cancel out. Got it? So what will remain is equal to minus m constant square constant upon 8 epsilon 0 epsilon 0 square h square. So all these things are constant. Multiply by 1 upon n square. So what is m? Mass of electron. E, charge of electron, that is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19. 8 epsilon 0 value, h Planck constant's value, put it here. So you will get, what we are getting? We will get minus, after placing all the values, we are getting 2.18 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 18 divided by n square, and this will be in joule. If you want to convert joule into electron volt, then you have to divide by, that means minus 2.18 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 18 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 multiplied by n square. Do the calculation, you will get, what we are getting, minus 13.6 electron volt multiplied by 1 upon n square. So this is the equation of E. Simple. Okay? Any doubt? Once again let us see. Total energy of an electron revolving around the nucleus. So it is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Equation number 1. Here put the value of R, but you have to remember value of R. How? Let us see. R is equal to, that is n square by m. Okay? Multiply by h square upon 2 pi square. So square it will be whole square multiply by 4 pi epsilon 0 upon e square. So put this value here. It is written in yellow color, right? Do sum cancel, that is 4 pi will cancel. Numerator, denominator, take it on a numerator. Pi will again cancel. Check it out. put the values, you will get the answer in joule. But if you want to convert that joule into electron volt, EV, so you have to divide the value by 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, then you will get the equation. Okay, which equation? That final equation, E is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square. So this is the standard equation, and this energy is in nothing but electron volt. Got it? If you will take n is equal to 1, means innermost orbit, then you will get E is equal to minus 13.6 eV, and this is known as BE, binding energy. Binding energy, binding means boundary, right? Binding means that electron exist in that nucleus. The electron will bound with that nucleus, and because of that reason there is a negative sign. It means if you will give the energy in terms of positive sign, then electron will go out of that atom, will remove from the orbit to the infinite distance. These things we have seen in past also. In 11th standard, in case of escape velocity, and here binding energy, that electron will remain in the orbit due to this minus sign, that electron having energy 13.6. And if the same amount of energy you will give in plus, then electron will go to that infinite distance. So that negative sign, due to that electron bound to that nucleus. And if you are taking n is equal to 1, that means electrons which are present in innermost orbit, they having energy E is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. So which is known as binding energy of an hydrogen atom. Again, as I told you earlier in the same video, mathematical steps are there. Okay, for bio students especially, it is quite difficult to understand once, but you have to do this mathematical step frequently. Then you will get, definitely you will get the idea, as well as you will have the good steps for your exams, and then you will get the good marks too. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, enjoy.